Tesla CEO Elon Musk has hauled perhaps the most seasoned move out of his repertoire, attempting to find energy for some arbitrary new thing, only hours before news severed of the organization laying around a modest amount of its labor force. This time, he's yammering on about an up to this point disheartening robot called Optimus, which the organization is probably dealing with. Tesla AI Day pushed to September 30th, as we might have an Optimus model working by then, Musk tweeted, adding that, Tesla AI Day number 2 will be epic. We ought to anticipate that sort of clear interruption from the tycoon CEO as of now. It's a long way from whenever Musk first has attempted to redirect consideration from terrible news. He unquestionably has a skill for pushing his own story in the media. Moreover, we presently can't seem to see anything significant from Tesla's endeavors to construct a humanoid robot. Up until this point, all we've seen is a render of a smooth grown-up human-sized android, in addition to an irregular individual moving in a high-contrast spandex suit on the phase of Tesla's last AI Day in August 2021. Indeed, even that minuscule piece of data, on the off chance that you can call it that, may currently be outdated. When inquired as to whether the impending model will seem to be like the one showed at Tesla's fabulous opening of its Gigafactory in Texas recently, Musk answered with a brief, no. Indeed, Tesla could wow us with this robot. Yet, we're not pausing our breathing. Given the carmaker's continuous battles and Musk's downright horrendous inclination about the economy, it very well may be some time until Tesla Optimus robots can really kill hazardous, dreary and exhausting errands, as Musk guaranteed a year ago.